to use this built-in speech-to-text software on a MacBook, you can go to Edit, Start Dictation, and a microphone icon will come on the right. To stop, you can press Done. As you can see, it converted my words into text on this document. You could also press the function button 2 times on your keyboard, and then the microphone will pop up. To use your keyboard to stop the software, you just press the function button again, and it's stopping. Okay, so I'm gonna write about my favorite vacation spot using the built-in speech-to-text software. My favorite vacation spot as I was growing up is my parents' hometown in the Philippines, period. It's a small town in the Bataan province, period. They grew up in the same neighborhood that is next to a river, period. All of my distant family lives there, period. I have lots of cousins, uncles, and aunts living over there, period. Since we are close to the water, the seafood is fresh, and the land that we own there has lots of trees and plants that grow all types of fruits and veggies, period. The land is gated, so it's private, and my grandparents built a house in it so that several families can fit in it, period. It's the most relaxing place to spend your days in a quiet, gated home with land in front of the house where you can enjoy fresh coconut, mango, and seafood while spending time with family. Period. So as you can see, you have to say what punctuation you need to be added in order for you to have any special characters or punctuation in your text. Also, the software doesn't totally understand everything I'm saying, so I think you would have to speak clearly in order for the speech to text get everything right. It also does take a while for you to see the words being transmitted onto the computer after you have completed like your sentence.